Hello everyone, let's take a look at the fan's phone. As we can see, the top left corner is in really bad shape. Needless to say, the back glass is definitely shattered, but the middle frame is missing a part. And there's a deep dent. It seems this phone must have fallen into a well because this spot is the first weak point, and the front part of the middle frame has some significant wear. So the fan is really tired of the black color, so this time they chose white. Now, let's talk about the phone itself. This is a 128GB Chinese version iPhone 13 Pro. Ever since Apple made all their screens black, it has become much easier to change the middle frame's color because, originally, with the iPhone 7, the screen color used to change with the frame color. We'll heat the phone up and start removing the screen. Opening the phone now, let's check this phone. It's being repaired for the first time. We'll first protect the front face recognition module, disconnect the battery first, then disconnect the touchscreen display. After that, disconnect the top sensor cable, and we can remove the screen. The fan chose to transplant the battery and replace it with a white middle frame, so we need to remove all the components from the middle frame. Start with removing the rear camera, protect the rear camera. Next, we'll remove the motherboard since it fell from a height. We need to check if the motherboard is deformed or cracked. The motherboard is dual layered. Now, remove the earpiece in the front face recognition module. We also need to remove the LiDAR sensor, which is encrypted. Next, take out the vibrator and speaker. Remove the vibrator and speaker. Then, peel off the battery adhesive. Okay, once the battery is removed, all the important encrypted components are taken out. Let's check the middle frame. Actually, we're lucky because the screen is fine. As for the battery, it has two parts, the ribbon cable and the battery cell. The so-called transplant means separating the ribbon cable and the battery cell, then replacing the battery cell. The encrypted pop-up info is located above the ribbon cable. The battery's short life is due to the aging of the battery cell. After separating the ribbon cable and battery cell, we'll clean and flatten the ribbon cable, fold the nickel piece back to 90 degrees. Then, we'll use a grinder to smooth the welding points to make it easier for the next welding. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, forward, and follow. These people are so cute. Process the welding points again. Take the new battery cell and flatten the nickel piece. Stick double-sided tape to prevent the ribbon cable from shaking. Then, weld the old ribbon cable to the new battery cell. Turn on the spot welding machine. First, weld the positive and negative ends. Once one side is done, weld the other side. After welding, cut off the excess nickel pieces. Fold the welding points back to their original position. Clean everything. Stick an insulating tape. Install a new support bracket. Stick another insulating tape. The so-called transplant is now completed. We'll apply battery adhesive to the new battery. Now, let's take out the white middle frame and replace it for the fan. We'll reinstall the speaker, vibrator, and LiDAR sensor. Then, we'll put the motherboard back in, reinstall the rear camera and other components, and secure everything with screws. After that, we'll put the new battery back in, use a roller to secure the battery even better. Once everything is installed, we'll fix the edge glue of the frame, stick new frame glue, clean up the dust around the back of the screen. If you're still watching, you must be a true fan of the Big Brother. If you like Big Brother, please send some gifts. I'll be really satisfied. You worked hard. Thank you. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, forward, and follow. These people are so cute. Now, we'll do a final cleaning of the dust. Tear off the waterproof adhesive protection, close the screen, and put the phone in a pressure tool to keep the pressure. Once the pressure is successful, tighten the two screws at the bottom, wipe everything clean, turn the phone on. After turning on, check the pop-up about the battery. Test the other functions quickly. Let's check the battery efficiency. Yes, that's right. The battery efficiency is still showing 81%. Fortunately, it will slowly increase later. So, when transplanting a battery, try to do it when the efficiency is over 80%. If it's too low, it will increase very slowly. Some may even lose efficiency. We'll turn the phone off, clean it, and then package it to send back to the fan. Thank you to every fan who supports Big Brother. If you like Big Brother, comment and double tap. Don't forget to follow if you haven't yet.